Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to voice chat in WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the WhatsApp app. Launch the WhatsApp app. Once you are in the WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to voice chat someone in WhatsApp, first of all, you need to save their contact. Now, in order to start a chat with them, you need to tap on this plus icon over here. Tap on it. It will open up the contact list. All of your saved contacts will appear over here. So select the contact with whom you want to start your conversation. Just tap on their profile. Once you're in the chat page with that contact, now in order to start a voice chat, here you can see the phone icon at the top right corner. You can just tap on it and you will be able to call them. It will ask you if you want to start a voice call. You can tap on this call option. And there you go. That's how you can voice chat in WhatsApp. Or if you just want to send a voice recording, here you can see the microphone icon at the bottom right corner. You can tap on it and record your voice. You just need to hold this mic icon and you will be able to send your voice notes. So that's it. That's how you can voice chat in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.